Sleepy story. Once upon a time, there was a small village called Dream Village in the quiet mountains. In this village, there was a special custom for everyone to take a nap, no matter how busy the day. When it was time for a nap, the villagers lay down in the comfortable shade of the trees and the fluffy grass, slowly dozing. In the center of the village was a large old cherry tree, under which it was a particularly popular place. As cherry blossom petals flutter, the villagers spend a relaxing time chatting. And by taking a nap, you leave for the world of dreams, and when you wake up, you have new ideas and energy. One day, a new resident came to the village. The name is Takeru. He was an impatient man from the city and couldn't understand the habit of taking a nap. If you waste so much time, you can't do anything. And he thought. During the first nap, Takeru watched the villagers fall asleep and shook his head incomprehensible. He continued to work hard as he saw the villagers floating comfortably in their dreams. However, I gradually became tired and my head was blurry. That evening, Takeru finally couldn't stand it and lay down under the cherry tree. When I closed my eyes, a mysterious dream spread out. In his dream, he found himself flying freely in the sky, running around the grassland full of colorful flowers. It was exactly the rest and sense of liberation he was looking for. Eventually, Takeru, who woke up, realized that his heart was getting lighter. Seeing the villagers laughing happily at each other, he gradually understood the warmth. Maybe a nap is not just a waste of time, but an important time to heal your mind and body, he thought. After that, Takeru began to accept the villagers' habit of napping. His heart became more and more calm, and he became friends with the villagers. And as long as the adventures in the dream continue, you can spend a happy time in the real village. The village became more and more lively, and Takeru, as a member of the dream village, spent every day enjoying a nap with a smile. End.